looking to buy today. I'm looking, ooh, let's see, a house. Yeah, very nice. Mission. 1 to 2 million. And immediately. Alright, almost finished. Just a few more questions. Okay, my name is Bryce Houston. What is my email? That is Bryce Houston, gmail.com. The phone number is 250-320-7012. Well, thank you very much. We'll reach out as soon as possible. Okay, so let's see. Let's check. Boom! There we go. Right here, second row. Added all those lovely details. And then in here, we would just add another that would send that to your email. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Yo. What is up guys? Bryce Houston here, coming with an AI chatbot creation. We're going to be making today a real estate chatbot. This will talk to the client, ask them questions whether they want to buy, sell, or rent, collect information off them, and store it into a Google Sheets after using it. Now, if you're wondering about automation systems, the two that I know of right now are Zapier, which is, I think, the best one, but it's a little bit more expensive. Well, it's more pricey than Make for sure. Yeah, we're gonna set this up. We're gonna put it so that so we have a integration with these webhooks, and once the user fills out this form, it will be sent using a post to that hook we created, and it will be saved in Google Sheets. And I'll show you how to do that here today. So we'll try to make sure this doesn't take forever. We're gonna come do this step by step. So stick around. I'm gonna show you how you can make this chatbot. Okay, first thing, we're gonna come over here to Voiceflow. We're just gonna create an account. So log in or get started here. I'm already logged in. Click on that, and it will take you to the home page. Now we're gonna go up here and we're gonna create an assistant. Let's say real estate chat bot. Build AI. Continue. Web chat. We have a couple other options here, but it's WhatsApp looks pretty interesting. But today we're just gonna do web chat and English. Assistant. Okay, so this is just like the template. There's some more information on here. We're just gonna do this. You guys can read through this if you want. Check out all that, but we're gonna be building a different one. Okay, so starting at this screen, you have your start button. This is where the conversation starts. So you just click on this, and you can drag that up here. It's gonna create next step. So we're gonna go talk, text, and this is gonna just be our first welcome message. So we can just change this to start. Just go, welcome. I'm doing Jane Hoffman Realty, just for an example. I have no affiliation or ties, so just for example purposes, I welcome you. And then generate 3 different variants. Okay, that didn't work. So well, yeah, there's our first step. Say, drag that around. Click here. Click the next part, which is going to be help you. This will work. I swear it's because I have 2 of them opened right now. And it's something to do with the server. It's like, no, you can't be logged in under 2 different emails. So now now that it's asked a question, we're gonna capture and run it. There you go. Welcome to the Jane Hoffman Realty. I'm here to assist you. How may I help you? And we have nothing else, right? So we're gonna capture what the user wants to do and get steps. Here it goes. Listen, capture, like that, put it under there. We're gonna go button, and we're gonna give them 3 choices. The first one's gonna be property inquiries, schedule. So we're just gonna focus on this one for now, or else I feel like this video is gonna take forever. So schedule viewing, we just add this to maybe like Calendly or something, and they pick a date and a time, and go from there. Contact our team, simply just connect that to email support, like send them an email. But anyways, we're gonna focus on this one. We're gonna click on this. We're gonna go talk text, and this will be, are you to buy, sell, or we go back, listen, and button, and we're gonna buy, sell, and rent. Okay, so let's just see what we have here. So we'll publish it. One, load there, and that, run it. Welcome Jason Hoffman, how may I assist you? Okay, so I want properties. So, okay, are you looking to buy, sell, or rent? I'm looking to buy. Okay, so it's ended because we haven't done anything. So next step here, we're going to capture what their choice is. We know, were they looking to buy, sell, or rent?